What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to know how to know who blocked you on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Once you're in your Instagram account, head over to your search section and search for the person you think might have blocked you. If you search that, you can't find, you will be unable to find actually that specific person's account if they have blocked you. And from that you can get to know that they have blocked you somehow. And yeah, that's it. This is how you will get to know that someone has blocked you on your Instagram. And there is another way. You can search for the person and see if they follow you or not. And I'm pretty sure that you'll not able to find that, because from that you get to know that that specific person has blocked you on Instagram. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.